Hi, I'm Shayna, and we're going to be talking about the equation for distance, and then we're going to also be talking about solving for rational equations. So let's start with the distance formula first. So distance equals rate times time, or D stands for distance, R for rate, and T for time. Okay, got that? Mm-hmm. Okay, so here's an example to make it easier. A car travels for 9 hours at a speed of 60 miles per hour. How far did the car travel? So what are we going to want to do first?
Okay, well, we should find our R and our T so that we can plug it in and find our distance.
Okay, so then what would R be? What's the rate?
The rate, they say, is 60 miles per hour.
And then what's the time they give us?
9 hours.
Yeah, so then we just have to use this equation, right? And so what do we do then?
So we get distance equals 60, which is R, times 9, which is T, right?
Yep, perfect. And then you just gotta multiply it out, and what do you get?
We get distance equals 540 miles.
Awesome. Okay. Ready for the next one?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So now we're going to be solving rational equation.
Okay.
And so here's an example of it just so you can see what we're going to do. So here we have this equation, and you see that there's fractions. So
right.
We're going to want to get rid of those fractions.
Right.
How do we want to do that?
You can cross multiply, right? So multiply x minus 1 times 5 and 15 times 2.
Yeah, awesome. So then what's the next step after you cross multiply?
Well, if you distribute the 5, you get 5x minus 5 equals 30.
Yeah, awesome. And now we just have an algebraic equation. So what do you want to do now?
Well, since we want to get the x by itself, we should add 5 on both sides, right?
Yeah, so then you have 5x equals 35, right? So then what's that final step so you can get x by itself?
You should divide by 5 on both sides.
Yep, perfect. And then what's the final answer going to be?
X equals 7.
Yeah, awesome. We got it.